what role does story play in marketing yourself? It's everything, really. Like, storytelling is so popular right now. Um, but what I really value about it is that it's amazing how many people have never told their story. That's why I'm a big believer in comeback stories. I'm a big believer in the power of other people's stories, is because so many people have never told their story, or if they do, they're quick to minimize it. They're quick to minimize it because they compare it to somebody else's. Well, I know I've had my challenges, but it's not like I ever had cancer. I'm like, well, your story is the only story you've lived. So you can't compare it to anybody else's. The hardest stuff you've ever been through is all you know. So you might as well own that. And there's more than likely, there's always somebody else out there that's walked a similar journey as you. Where people might say, I've never accomplished, I've never won an Olympic medal or anything like that. My story isn't really not that big of a deal. No, it's still a big deal. It's yours. So I really tell people, be able to articulate part of your story into your summary, into your LinkedIn. What are the lessons you've learned in life and how have you applied those in your professional life? It makes you a real human being and not just another resume floating around out there with a bunch of highlights on it.